Yep. I think I got it.
It rolls better one way than the other, and I always forget which way it is.
Me too.
See, this way, that's full. That's just me fucking around.
That's cooking.
3/4 throttle.
This thing isn't that much of a dog. Sure, my P-51 would show it up, but
Whoa, Rob. That's the rudder.
yeah. So tell us what you think about this plane and the rudder requirement.
It is not their best airplane, although it does fly pretty well. You got to learn how to use both sides of your brain by using the rudder. If you don't use a rudder, it turns like crap. I've got rudder mixed into ailerons, so it turns a little better, but I still use the rudder stick also. It rolls better one way than the other. Another problem. Should we try inverted flight? I haven't tried that yet.
Go for it. Just get higher.
Let me go over the grass.
Good idea.
It's doing it, huh? Kinda. Let's see if I can make some low pass for you.
Yeah.
Victory roll.
Fuck yeah.
Just couldn't hang on to it any longer.